So, welcome back to the third edition of our data and analysis series, sponsored by Mentoring and Training with Abidin Adeni, the modern CFO. So, today we'll be looking at how to prepare balance sheet using basic Excel pivot table. That's our part 3. As we all knew that balance sheet is highly essential, and it's also a financial snapshot that reveals a company's financial position at a particular period of time, because it shows what the business owns, what belongs to your business, like your fixed asset, current asset, and the likes, your cash, your payables, your receivables. All these are your assets. That is what you own. And what your business is owing third parties, like balance sheet and the capital you contributed. That is what we call equity, held by owners or stakeholders equity. So the structure of balance sheet is very, very simple. In accounting equation, we call it asset equals to liability plus equity. That is the method. When you look at the component of our asset or balance sheets rather, it contains assets, liabilities, and equity. So just a three. So your current asset, your assets, as we said, is what your company owns. Your current assets is what you own within 12 months. That is your cash, your accounts receivables, your inventory, which is your products or your goods in the store. And your non-current asset is they are long-term assets, like fixed assets, your property, building, your equipment. All these are your non-current assets, or say fixed assets. Also intangible assets, like your goodwill, like maybe you build a software for your company. The costs element of building that software for the company, they are all intangible assets. They are long-term assets, that is more than 12 months. The second one is your liabilities. So now that is what you are owing third party, what you owe. So all this, the first part of it is current liabilities. So your current liabilities are liabilities that are due within 12 months. Your accounts payables, you are owing your vendors within 12 months. Short-term loans, you took soft loan from banks, and you are expected to pay back within 12 months. Also, your non-current liabilities, these are long-term. So your long-term loans, your bond payables, these are your non-current liabilities. They are more than 12 months. They are more than a year. It could be 2 years, 3 years. The third one is your equity. These are the owners or your capital you invested in your businesses. And likewise, the retained earnings. The retained earnings are profits that you earn from your profit and loss statement. So let's quickly look at from the assignment we gave the other time. This is the data set. And from the data set, we are able to prepare our profit and loss statement. So we're going to use this profit and loss statement to prepare our balance sheet within a think of an eye. So let's name this balance sheet from the assignment. So balance sheet version 1. So we hide something here before. Let's bring it out. Yeah. So we just come here, click and filter the balance sheet element from what we have done before. You can see. So we already filtered this. So all of these are not useful for our balance sheet. So what we are going to do is we hide it. You can hide this. Highlight them, right click and click hide. So they have gone. So okay, you can also hide this. Let's hide this. Let's hide this. So that's all. You can see these are total. These are total. These are total. This total now we can use our hot h d db. I'm not mistaken. So yeah, hot h d db. Yeah. So yeah. So that's that. That's our can bold it. Then this can put this as well. Can as well increase the fonts. So we can see within a think of an eye, we've been able to prepare our balance sheets. So these are subtotal. These are subtotal. Let's place control. So our subtotal can come here. Let's use stop header with that. These are subtotal. So the subtotal as well, we can shade it in gray color. Can put it in the gray color like this. Yeah. So that's all. Then we change the name. Balance sheet. Balance sheet for balance sheet as that. Sorry. Balance sheet as that. 31st December 2023. Yeah. So can increase the font. We want to increase the font. Yeah. So this is our balance sheet. So we think we did the trick of an eye. We've been able to prepare our balance sheet based on what we prepared before now. Can as well this is subtotal as well. The subtotal you can use. Yeah. So that's all for the balance sheet item. Balance sheet. So from here now, we have done with part 1, part 2, and part 3 of our financial statements on how to prepare our profit and loss statement as well as our balance sheet. So the next will be how we can use this same data to prepare a kind of summary for our management. So we'll see you later. Thank you. God bless you.